In this video, we're going to show you how to use Temi Center. Temi Center is our web-based management console to manage, control, and customize their Temi or a fleet of Temi robots from any browser, anywhere in the world. To get started, open your browser and go to center.robotemi.com. Click the Login button. A QR code will appear on your screen. Go to Settings in your mobile Temi Center app. Select Temi Center Login and scan the QR code that appears on your computer screen. That's it. You're in. At first glance, you'll notice all the Temi robots of which you are an owner appear on your screen. On the left, we have the side menu. This menu will provide you with quick access to the different features available on Temi Center. Under Temis, you can view all your Temi robots and sort them by the charging status, subscription plan, and connection status on the top right-hand of the screen. To get more information of the organization of Temi, press the setting icon next to the organization name in the sidebar. This will then bring you to a page which shows all your Temis in the organizations, along with the users. Click the icon on the top right corner, and you'll find a drop-down menu to review your storage space, language setting, review our company policies, or to log out from Temi Center. Go back to the setting page. Next to the name of your Temi, there is a pencil icon. Click on the icon to give a new name and special icon to identify your Temi on the home page easily. To change the home screen of Temi, select Home Screen. You are given options to choose Default, Clear Screen, Custom Screen, Application, or select a web page. Next, go to Settings. You can view the detailed information of the Temi, including the serial number. Next, we have Dynamic Mode. Click Configure Dynamic Mode, and you are able to edit the follow functions of Temi. Choose how Temi stand by and react when there is a person detected in front of the Temi. In this page, you can also view the assigned sequences, map settings, Q&A prompts, as well as created tours of the Temi. We will go through them one by one. Click on Temi Meetings to start a meeting. You are then brought to a page where you are able to select the Temi you would your meeting to be shown on. Select a Temi and press New Meeting. The function bar includes Grid View, Participants, Share Screen, and Zoom Out. The controllers allows the Temi to go forward, backward, left, right. You may check the locations on the map saved in Temi. Open Map to check the current location of the Temi in the map. To schedule a meeting, click Schedule Meeting to select your desired dates, duration, locations, permissions, and whether to add a passcode. After clicking Create, you'll receive a link for you and other participants. Press Scheduled Meetings, and you are able to get an overview of all the meetings that you have. You are also able to create meeting notes if necessary under Meeting Notes. Prompts guide the large language model in the Temi robot to generate relevant responses by clarifying user intent and context. It is crucial to set prerequisites for enhancing response quality and accuracy. Q&A prompts allow setting model answers for specific user questions to ensure accurate responses. First, scroll down to find your new prompt. Select the fallback agent prompt you wish to apply to the Temi. You may specify context in structuring answers to improve response quality and user satisfaction. Remember to update the prompts regularly based on user interactions. Keep the model responses relevant and effective. Press Create New Q&A and input the expected answers for specific questions. You may enter multiple answers for one question. Now you can turn on the training function to improve response accuracy through AI learning. Here you can create and edit customized automated routines for Temi to play in various scenarios. First, let's click the New Sequence button. The sequence editor consists 4 actions the robot can perform at a set order of steps. Each row represents a step in the sequence. In each step, Temi can perform all or some of the actions simultaneously. For movement, you may choose a location from the map for your Temi to go to. Speak is where you input what Temi says. You can also have Temi display the message on the screen. In media, you can upload an image or a video to display on Temi's screen. For audio, you may upload an audio file for Temi to play. Now click the Edit button and name your new sequence. After configuring each action, don't forget to click the Save button to add the action to your sequence. To play or preview your sequence, select the robot you wish to activate the sequence on and click the Play button. After creating a new sequence, go back to Temi Customization and find Scheduler. Now you need to schedule the sequence for your Temi. First, give a name to identify the schedule. Choose Run Sequence and selected the sequence you just created. You can choose how often the sequence runs. Now it's all set. Go back to Settings. Under Navigation, you may find Go to Absort Sequence. This function allows Temi to play a sequence action upon failing to navigate to a location. The Map Editor allows you to edit your map to improve Temi's navigation. Import the map you want to edit from a specific Temi, or select the map you want to edit out of your saved maps. Your map may take a few seconds to load. Below, you will find the Map Editor buttons. Add Virtual Wall allows you to block Temi from getting into specific areas, especially areas near staircases, steep drops, or glass walls. Mark a single point on the map and continue marking until your virtual wall is created. Click the Cycle button to change the virtual wall to a solid line with a dashed line. Temi can pass through the virtual wall from the dashed line side to the solid line side. When you're done, save by clicking the checkmark button. Add Location lets you save a location anywhere on the map. To add a location, simply click on the point on the map where you want your location to be saved. Then, input the location's name, the orientation of Temi, and the screen's tilt angle. Add Path allows you to guide Temi through a specific path for Temi to follow. Mark a single point on the map and continue marking until you are satisfied with the new path. Since Temi is always navigating autonomously, it will take the shortest route to a specific location. Now, Temi will always prioritize to use the green path whenever possible during its navigation. Finally, Cleaner and Restore. You can use the eraser to remove unwanted obstacles from your map for a more accurate map structure. Undo using Restore if you accidentally deleted the wrong area. Filter options and Map Zoomer are provided to make it easier for you to see the map clearly. Here you can create or import contacts and create groups to assign to your Temi. Click the Add Contacts button and create a new contact or import contacts from your mobile app. You can also add portrait images of your contacts so Temi can recognize them with face recognition in various modes. We recommend you add at least 5 images for each contact for ideal face recognition. Next, organize the contacts by creating a group. Select the contacts you would like to add to the group. Be reminded that only contacts that have the Temi mobile app will be shown on Temi. The data is tied to each organization the Temi is assigned to and will be reset upon factory reset as well as reassignment to a new organization. Data persists when the Temi is reassigned back to the original organization. That's it. You're all set. Enjoy Temi Center. For any questions on Temi Center, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app or on robottemi.com/support.